If you're ready to build an agentic agency, you're in the right place.
When we say agentic era, automating what we never could before,
AI is the ATM moment for agencies. ATMs help banks to enhance their operations.
Start with an audit, show them the gap, and create the roadmap.
About 90% of professionals talk about AI, and only 10% are actively building with it.
This isn't all about efficiency all the time. This is about helping to grow our businesses.
Your best tool for understanding how to live in a world with AI is AI.
The path to AI success, quite frankly, is paved in failure.
My biggest takeaway is that it's a Wild West again, and as business owners, we have to go back into the trenches and figure this out, and that's the way we're going to come out on top.
AI training equals the discovery, and we're trying to discover what to pitch.
I don't see it as a tech, I see it as a completely new way of working.
My biggest takeaway would be how many great companies taking care of their clients so well.
when we say agentic era, automating what we never could before.
My biggest takeaway from Vistara, day one, is to rebrand discovery as training.
If you don't sell AI services to your clients, someone else will.
Biggest takeaway from Vistara this week has just been running an agency doesn't have to be working harder, you can work smarter. They're giving us the plan to do it. I don't want to be working 80 plus hours a week. I want to be owning a business that's profitable and growing on its own.
Once you do the brand mention audit, you know that where are the sources that you need your client's business to kind of appear.
AI is going to create this future that you're building together by destroying.
Problem that you understand deeply might be your biggest opportunity.
The cost of AI is when you start to copy and paste between applications that you end up giving your highest paid staff.
Biggest takeaway today, to iterate and release not so great, not so perfect things as immediately as possible, and that's okay.
AI doesn't care about your opinion, it cares about, is it here, yes or no? Tick the box.
You're not looking at AI to replace people. You're looking at AI to make them superhuman. That's how I look at it.